Alright, today we're going to install this Milltek valve controller. It's got two remotes with it, and there's the module. So first thing we're going to do is get our tools straight. So I'll just have a little screwdriver here to help me get the panels off. Just a little pick to get the wire bundle apart at the connector. Let's see what we got here. T25 bit. I'm going to need a T30 bit, 9mm. I'm sorry, 8mm socket. Couple extensions. 1/4-inch drive ratchet, maybe a 3/8 drive ratchet. However, I just have these extensions for my impact drill here. So let's get to it. Alright, so there's 3 8mm screws. Got one down here. See it. There's one right here. Actually, there's 4. One right here. One in behind this miniature glove box. It sits right there. And then there's one in behind this panel here. So we're going to have and unscrew all these. Have a little trouble getting to it there. Let's see. And to get the screw behind this panel, you have to push. There's these tabs. Here, let's fold this boot out so you can see what happens. I already had it off of here, so these tabs you just have to push out, and this vent pops right off there with its boot. So I found the best way to get this panel out of there is to reach inside and then just pull it out. Like that. It's like a Lego, just clips right in there. So then we got the screw right there. Alright, so once we have all of that, this bottom panel will just drop out. And you have a little tab right here, just pull out and then pull it down, and it pulls right off of there. So we'll set that over there. Alright. And now next, you have to remove this trim piece, and then this lower trim piece, and then your electronics sit back here. So in order to do that, this trim piece comes out pretty easy. Just pulls right off of there. And then this deal, your hood release, I don't know if you can see it, I already have it loose, but there is a tab back there that you have to use your screwdriver to get in behind and pull it out. this. Let's see if I can get a good picture of it. And then your hood release latch comes off of there. And then there's another T25 that sits in behind here. It sits right there. Let's see, T25. My attachment. Kind of hard to do holding the phone and trying to work on a car at the same time. Pull that sucker out of there like that. And then your panel just comes right up out of there. It clips in back here. And it just comes out of there like that. So then where'd my module go? So here's the module. And you got your green connectors. And then stock is your green connector here. So I took my fancy little connector remover tool slash panel tool that I call it. And I just slide this lock up. And then I just push in, and it should just pop right up out of there, just like that. So now we take this end here, the male end, and we put the male end, actually it's probably easier. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so we'll take the stock male end and we'll put it into the female end of the module. Clip it in and then clip the safety pin in. And then take the male end of the module and clip it into the female end on the car. Like that. So, and then I just tuck it in back here with the rest of the wiring to ensure it's out of the way when you have to install the panel back on. So it should be good like that. And then we have a ground wire. So with the ground wire, just take it and put it right into this screw right here. So it's a T30, and pull it out, and then put your ground wire in. Get our tools together here. Take that like that. Put this through here and then put it back in through here. And then torque it back down. And there you go, your module's installed. So it's just as simple as that. And then, so we will, I'll show you. So we'll push the start-stop button, just so you can make sure that your module is open, or your valve is open. So hit 2, and they gave me this little, although I didn't get any instructions, they were nice enough to give me the instructions. Alright, so the instructions for the key fob remote. So that was nice enough to give me some idea of what each button does. So right here we'll check it out. So we'll hit the button, the start stop button, bring the car on, and I'll hit the start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. So push the brake in and start it. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find anything, so hopefully you get some good out of this video. Appreciate it. We'll see you later.